Dividend stock time. Let's get into it. I haven't forgotten about it. Stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Anthony here from the Wall Street Bull. Hope you're doing well. Yes, I am going to do a dividend video update because I am still a dividend investor at the end of the day. That has not stopped this entire time I've been investing in cryptos. Dividend stocks are something that provides me with a passive income that doesn't stop. It just keeps growing and compounding over time, and it is something that I'm very proud of. I'm sitting at now 20,000 US dollars, which is around 26,000 Australian, which is unbelievable. It does provide me with a passive income consistently, and it grows every single year with these dividend investments. So first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with all of this investing here, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks. You need to do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. So please don't take this as financial advice. Do your own research, very important. All right, so let's get into my dividend portfolio. I use the app Stake here in Australia. There is a referral code below. Please feel free to use that. If you do, you and I can get a free stock in Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike, which is unbelievable. I've got a lot in GoPro at the moment, so thank you to every one of you who have subscribed using that code below. I've got a few in Dropbox as well. Hopefully I'll get one in Nike eventually, but that is the main one there that everyone struggles to get, but I'll get one eventually. So as mentioned, I'm sitting on $20,944.21 US dollars, which is unbelievable. I've had $33 return last week on Friday, because the market's closed over the weekends. It's not like cryptos. I've had a 26.17% return across my entire portfolio, which is $4,344 USD. That is unbelievable. Just let that sink in. And that is because I invested all throughout 2020 when the market crashed and it was down. I continued to buy dividend stocks and build my portfolio throughout 2020. Yes, it takes time and it requires a lot more money than cryptos, but it's something that provides me with a genuine passive income that I can eventually use in the future if I need to, and continue to grow. Generational wealth, which is something that I want to do most importantly. All right, so buying power, you can see I've got $15.48 in there. That is pure dividends. That comes in every single month, quarter, or annually, depending on which company you choose to invest into. Obviously, the main ones, I've listed them down below in the description. So if you're interested, have a look at those and check them out and do your own research on those companies, which pay some awesome dividends quarterly and monthly. They're the main ones that I like to go for. And a dividend yield between 3 to 5% is what I aim to buy in. And my main dividend stocks, and I'll get into those in my tracking app, so you can see which ones are my main and top dividend payers, and you can have a look at that as well. So today it is a pretty mixed bag. Red and green, it pretty much looks like Christmas. They haven't got dark mode on this, which is really annoying. I wish they did anyway, so I'd love to use that. So you can see it's a mixed bag today. You know, with regards to these dividend companies, I'd like to invest into dividend companies that pay around 3 to 5% in yields, which is, you know, at my age being 32, I don't have that long in the market. I need at least 20 years to see some serious benefit to this. And if you're young, please start thinking about investing into the stock market, putting a little bit each you know, week or month, whenever you can, so you can really benefit at a young age for the whole time of that compounding of interest there. And you'll see in a second what I'm talking about. So the main ones I like to invest in are O Realty. Not IBM, but IBM is a good dividend payer as well. O Realty is a really good one if you like real estate. This one has been a great one for me. I've got 22 shares of that sitting at $1,400 in equity. It has a dividend yield of 4.21%. So that is one. ExxonMobil has been one that I have had some awesome returns in because the downturn with the oil industry was crashed last year. Nobody was traveling. There was no oil going around. The barrel price actually went to below zero, which is unbelievable. So I invested throughout that downturn. I've seen a 39% return, $1,000 USD, which is unbelievable. It's got a 5.91% dividend yield, which is awesome. Let's have a look here. VIM is an index, an ETF. So when you're buying this, you're buying the S&P 500. You're investing your money across the top 500 companies that pay dividends, which is awesome. a really cool way to diversify your money and spread out your money, so you're not investing in just the one company. You can buy all the companies via an ETF. That's something, an option for anyone who doesn't like picking individual stocks as well. So I do have 15 shares of that, sitting at 1,673 USD, 15% return, which is awesome. And it's got a dividend yield of 2.83%, which is really good. SPHD is another one that I love as well. Sitting at $45 a share. I've got 56 shares of this, sitting at $2,500 US, and I've had a return of 28%, $569 US, which is awesome. And I've got a dividend yield of 3.91%. And this invests in it's another ETF, but invests in the top 50 companies in the S&P 500. The top 500 picks 50 companies that pay high dividend yields. So that is a great one as well. But also, this pays monthly. So at the end of every month, you get a check of passive income coming into your brokerage account, which you can then, reinvest, which is what I do, or you can pull it out if you need to. So SPHD is one that I love as well, and AT&T is another one that I've been investing as well. Apparently they did cut their dividend slightly, and I'll go into that and have a look while I'm in my dividend tracking app. They have a dividend yield of 7%. They did acquire Discovery Channel or something like that, so there's some awesome news going on there with them expanding their television online streaming business, and obviously that side of the business is going to be keeping on growing. They also own HBO Max, I believe. So AT&T is a great company and a really long-standing institution that has been paying dividends for a long time. So this is one that I'm invested in as well. I've got 23 shares of that, sitting at $700 in equity, and it's down. I'm down $8. Sorry, so down 1.4%. So it's got a dividend yield of 7%. So look, it is on the higher side, but it does pay some awesome dividends. SPCE is another growth stock. I do invest in growth stocks just because there's opportunity there to benefit from long-term growth. Virgin Galactic is one company that I believe in, because space travel is one company or thing that I believe in the future will happen eventually. Be it through supersonic transport. You get to New York from Australia in like 2 hours. That'd be unreal. This is going to happen. So I'm investing in Virgin Galactic because their business is just going to explode. And they just recently did a space demo, which is awesome, over the weekend. So I saw Richard Branson do an update on that, which is great. Their stock price has gone up from $11 or $15, I believe it was, which is unreal. So I'm really happy about that. And that's got no dividend. This is the growth stock. So you buy with the mentality that the price will go up over time, and you can eventually sell if you wish, or you can just hold on and the price may go up to the moon, who knows. So this is why you invest in growth stocks. It's not for the dividend, it's just for the pure growth of that value of that stock. So that's one form of investing as well. So they're moving closer towards commercial flight, which is unreal, and that's why I love Virgin Galactic. So that's a growth stock option. And you've also got Tesla as well, which is down $580. There's a whole heap of stuff going on with Tesla, with the announcement of not accepting Bitcoin, crashed the price of it. There's no dividend yield anyway. So I'm sitting at 4 shares of Tesla, sitting at $2,359 US, which is extremely expensive. Anyway, let's go into my dividend tracking app while it's up here. So I've got an annual dividend of $967.12, which is amazing. Monthly, I'm sitting at $80.59 a month. Completely passive. I don't have to do anything. I just invest and I get that money and then I reinvest it. That's the way I do dividend investing. I'm sitting on $2.65 a day, which is awesome. The yield is an average of 4.49%. And you can see here, these are the next payments that I'm due to receive in the next 4 days. GA gain on 91 cents, LAND 12 cents, LTC 6 cents, OXSQ 28 cents, Starbucks 67 cents, SJR at 5 cents, WRK at 8 cents. My top 3 dividend payers are ExxonMobil, SPHD and Prospect Capital. So ExxonMobil pays me $290.31 a year. SPHD pays me $111 a year. Prospect Capital pays me $97.34 a year. That is awesome. 32% of my dividend goal has been reached of $3,000 a year, and I hope to get to that very soon. 30% is coming from energy and minerals companies. Dividends receivable this month is $78.75. That is awesome. The big month is in June. That's when the big payments come, so I'll get into that now. Lockheed Martin, that's one that I'm thinking of buying into with this next investment that I've just made. Actually, let's just quickly go back to that. So you can see here, I've just got my dividend payments. I didn't get into this, so I'll just quickly have a look here. So where are we? So $16 EPD. I was paid a dividend from SAND, Apple, at 40 cents, Main Street Capital $1.22, O Realty was $5.24, OKE dividend of 13 cents, AbbVie paid me a dividend of $1.45, ERF dividend of 5 cents, PBA paid me a dividend of 89 cents, BTI dividend of 17 cents, Stag dividend of $1.22, HRL paid me a dividend of 5 cents, GoPro, thank you for the referral, there you go. So ET paid me a dividend of 40 cents, AMLP paid me a dividend of 16 cents, NSC paid me a dividend of 17 cents, Prospect Capital paid me $6.27. That's monthly, by the way. And Caterpillar paid me a dividend of 20 cents. Their dividend yield is sitting at $1.03. That has gone up since the last dividend they paid last quarter, which is unreal. Really high dividend yield payer. So they're the dividends that I got in completely passive. So the portfolio is sitting at $27,051 AUD. A total return of $5,500 Australian, which is unreal. So let's scroll down to the bottom here. You can see what happens with compounding over time. If I go to 10 years, it is going to pay me $3,335 a year in passive income. The portfolio, if I didn't invest any more money, it would grow to $46,135.96. That is awesome. And in 20 years is what I love to check out, $152,000. And a dividend payment every year of $19,000 completely passive. That is unbelievable. So a cool thing here I was going to look at, Lockheed Martin here. Let's have a look here. Where are you? This is a cool way to check on this app, and I'm not affiliated with these guys at all, so please, if you check it out on the Google app or Google or iOS App Store, it's you have to pay for it, but I'm not affiliated. They don't do any affiliation, so do as you wish. So Lockheed Martin is one that I will invest in because I believe that there is always going to be a dividend coming in from Lockheed Martin. This is a company that everybody knows, and they are the defense sector. So like weapons, fighter jets, all that kind of stuff, defense, with the US government. These are the manufacturer of all that stuff, and I've got 0.108 shares of Lockheed Martin. It's sitting at $347, which is quite expensive. Here we go here, aerospace and defense. Yearly income is $1.46. So I'm looking to increase my position here in Lockheed Martin. And you can see the dividends here, they have increased over the years from 2017 to $2. And it has gone up to $2.40, $2.60. So it is increased, which is fantastic to see and keep track on as well. So Lockheed Martin is one that I will continue to invest in. And let's just have a look for fun. In 20 years, if I didn't invest any more money, I'd be sitting at 0.23 shares and it would pay me a dividend of $6 a year. So, this is what happens. You've got to invest, and it sort of snowballs after there. So Lockheed Martin is one that I will invest in with my latest investment there. And I'm wondering if you can see that deposit there. No, you can't, but it's in flight. But anyway, so Lockheed Martin is one that I'm going to be buying more into because I strongly believe that the contracts with the government, there's always going to be contracts and people needing defense, systems and technology. That's never going to stop, and one thing that I will, invest in as well. So Lockheed Martin is my dividend purchase for this next investment. All right, so there you go. That's my portfolio. Just wanted to give you an update on dividend stocks because that's one thing I love, and it's purely passive income, which is incredible. And if you're new to dividend investing, please use the referral code below. As mentioned, we can get a stock in Dropbox, GoPro, or Nike. All right, so that's my dividend portfolio update. Let me know in the comments what dividend stocks you may be interested in upcoming, and love talking with all of you about it as well. All right, so leave your comments below. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you like the video and leave your comments below. And if you're new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on that little bell notification. And please, as always, do your own financial investigations and due diligence because I'm not a financial advisor. So please be careful out there. I do these videos for fun. So please, 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 I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. All right? Thank you very much for sticking around. I really appreciate it. There'll be a new video up tomorrow when everyone goes crazy around the rest of the world for cryptos and other dividend stocks. All right? Stay safe. Peace. Bye.